No, no. Hello guys, hello everybody. Today we will make a short tutorial video on how to make a box. So today's video we need to make a box, rectangular box. I will going to teach you how to do it the easiest possible on how to make the box. This is a technique that I need to show you. So bear with me. And today guys, I will going to speak English because one of my colleague and a fan has asked me to speak in English because they don't understand when I do speak Tagalog. So right now I need to speak in English. Okay guys, so the first step we need to do is that I'm sorry guys, but I already cut this one, okay, with 45. Here, you can see here, it was already pre-cut into 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So the face of the box that I will going to make is this. So this is the face. So if you can imagine, this one would go on top, and this one, the second one would go bottom. So it would be like this. And after we have the two sides, one right side and one left side on here. So now guys, I need to assemble this one and show you how to assemble the box correctly, precisely, and easiest way possible. Okay, so guys, now I arrange this one. So the first way is we need to arrange this one long. This one is the left side, bottom, and this one is the right side here. And after I have another one, this is the top part. Okay, so it will be like this. Excuse me sir, let's move this one. Thank you. Okay, so after we arrange all the parts guys, it will be like this. As you can see, now you can see it's one straight panel. So I need to put a scotch tape, okay? When you put the scotch tape, you need to pull it precisely. There you go. So I need to put two. Okay. And here also, I will also put here scotch. Like this. One more. There. And the last piece. Okay. Okay guys, upon putting all this scotch tape, I need to flip the panel like this, you can see. Help me please. Just like this, yes. Flip there. Okay. Now guys, you can see this is the other side. This one now is the other side. You now see visibly the 45 cut here. So we have the cut here, 45, 45, this part, and also this part. So the next step we need, okay, there you can see all the cuts. It's 45 cut. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, just put a wood glue. This is a wood glue. So we're gonna put it here. Just a little, not too much. Like this, you don't need to clean it after. Okay, so just put a little. There you go. There. There. Here. And also here. Okay guys, so now we put the glue. This is the last part that we need to do. We only flip. This is the technique that I'm telling you all. So we need to flip this. There you go. As you can see, we have the 45 cut. It's nice and clean. And after, here. There, okay. And after, just flip it all like this. There. Stop it, please. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So guys, we already assembled it and we only put a, how do you call this one? I don't know. So we just assemble this one guys, and so you can see here, look, you can see here the cut 45, it's here. So it's now nice and clean. There, the same, and on the other side, there, it's good. And so all the four sides is good. And so the back part is like this. So I already prepared it also. This one also we have the 45. Yes, we have here the 45 cut degrees. So we now put the backboard. In putting the backboard, it's the same guys. We only need to put a glue here, and then after putting the glue, we put the scotch, and that's it. We had the wax. Guys, okay, I'm putting now the glue here.
Tu peux avoir le sang? Le seul là?
Ça va là?
Ouais.
Ouais.
Mais l'autre là, il est où?
Il y a plus.
Il suffit que tu rentres.
Now as you can see guys, we have all the glued. I put it equally on the sides. There. There. And now I will put the back part. So this is the cover in the back. Now that's the back cover guys.
That's it.
Okay now guys, I put the back cover like this. So the glue is already put there. Okay, there I have now the back cover here. And now I'll just put a scotch and that's it. We wait until the glue will be dry and it will be glued. So I put the scotch. Okay, there you go guys, we already put the scotch. So as you can see, the sides now have each other, so it was glued there. Okay, I just wait 30 minutes and this one will be nice and clean. So I show you after 30 minutes guys. So there you go guys, we have a nice and clean box. So ayun guys, tapos na. Oh guys, this one's finished. Look. So we have now the nice box there. There. Insides like this. There. And we also put the lock for the box. There. So it's all good and it's now finished. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.